Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the Audi TT S that we've upgraded with front and rear parking sensors. This car is actually owned by BBC Radio presenter Chris Mann. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. But also remember, guys, we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition, plus the controller, as well as an Audison 8.9 amplifier to upgrade the sound in your vehicle. So otherwise, let's get on to today's video. So Chris came into us looking for a solution and we've delivered a perfect one for him. In terms of the solution that we was after was adding in front and rear parking sensors, so that's exactly what we've achieved. However, with a really nice look. Basically, we've got a 17mm sensor, as you can see here. There's 4 sensors that go all the way across the front and then 4 sensors that go all the way across the back bumper, giving you a really nice spread and coverage of parking the vehicle, but also they are an audible tone sensor, but they look factory because they're color coded to the vehicle and they're completely flush with the bumper as well. What's actually involved is actually removing front and rear bumpers. That's all done in controlled workshop environments here in Cambridge. Front and rear bumpers have been removed. Basically, in essence, you've got the actual sensor that gets mounted from behind, all the cable running, it's neatly run across the bumper, then into the vehicle through grommets through the front and through entry points through the back. Basically, they go into a control box. So that allows for 2 buzzers, one in the front, one in the back, controlling the actual audible tone for the sensors. But overall, a really nice solution. The front ones are button activated. We also do speed pulse versions as well, the ProFit versions. You may have seen that mentioned on our YouTube channel before. However, we've gone for a button solution, which works really, really nicely on the vehicle. Plus, we've also got those rear sensors that engage as soon as you engage reverse. They automatically come on and they perform really, really nicely as well. So I'm sure Chris is going to be over the moon with the finished product. It looks spectacular. Plus, that functionality is now added onto the vehicle exactly how he wanted it. So if you are new to our channel, guys, remember we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway. We're giving away that brand new PlayStation 5 as well as Audison amplifier behind me. But thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. We'll see you soon.